Many solo ad buyers have their strategies on how to build a list effectively. So, everybody has different methods. I'm just going to share some of my strategies in this quick video. When I'm buying solo ads, I try to buy multiple solo ads from multiple vendors spread out over different days so that I have fresh leads on a daily basis that I can market to. Because basically, I try to promote an affiliate product every day if I can. I try to promote an affiliate product every day to my list, so it helps to have fresh leads every day seeing my latest promotions. Okay, now if you're just starting out, buy small amounts of clicks, such as 20 or 50 clicks from each vendor, because what usually happens is that they will over deliver, and in the long run your cost per click will be much lower. Okay, so for example, if you buy 20 clicks, most likely whoever you buy 20 clicks from is going to send you a lot more than 20. He may send you 25 or 30 clicks. Okay, so he might end up sending you 50% more than you ordered. So, if you order just say 100 clicks from another person, they may just over deliver by 1 click or 5 clicks. Okay, so the percentage of the over delivery will be much higher when you're buying small amounts of clicks from the solo ad sellers or vendors. Okay, now you do not want to get burned, so stay away from buying large amounts of clicks right away, especially if you're just starting out. Okay, so start buying large amounts from people only once you get to know them. If you've bought solo ads from them in the past and you're happy with the results, and if you trust the person. Okay, and reinvest your profits into buying more solo ads, because what you will see is a compounding effect. And I also try to read the vendor's profile first if I'm on a solo ad network. I try to read their profile to see what type of subscribers they may have and if my offer is suitable for their list. Now, if you're not in a network, a solo ad network, you could, ask the vendor if they think your offer will be suitable to your list, or try to do your own research on that vendor or solo ad seller.